Şu anda hani panik yapılacak bir durum var şu anda. Çünkü tezgahlar hakikaten boş. Çok az şey kalmış durumda.
So overwhelmed that authorities have now decided to build a new from scratch. They're hoping to complete construction in just 6 days. In existing hospitals, health workers are working.
Of course we're worried, and so are.
If you watch the official news in the evening on the state TV, then they acknowledge, yes, it's a severe crisis, but it's under control. And on
3 a.m., I've got my mask on in the midst of a rush. The city limits under a lockdown.
Wuhan deals with fear of a pandemic.
Desperate measures for coronavirus.
More than 11 million people who live in that city now kept from leaving.
Just stepped aboard a train leaving Beijing. We're headed. It's the fact that according to about a 5.5-hour train ride. We're gonna go check in and get a real. It's empty.
With fear of a pandemic.
Desperate measures to try and contain the deadly.
Kept from leaving.
On the front.
They're just.
Studio. Hi, Derek. We heard the German Health Minister Jens Spahn there saying we need to be
citizens not to travel abroad as it struggles to contain the virus that has now killed more than 100 people. The total number of confirmed cases is now at more than 4,500.